In this video, we will go over features or benefits of night air compressors. Night air compressors are manufactured for people who want hard-working, long-lasting, durable equipment. In this video, we will look at the differences between our GX200 Honda engine-driven air compressor and the Rolair GX200 Honda engine-driven air compressor. You can see by placing our wheel next to the Rolair wheel the size disparity in both height and width of the wheel, making the unit easier to roll in dirt, gravel, and rocky environments. The handles on the Rolair package are welded to the tanks and approximately a ½ inch in diameter. The handles on our package are bolted to the tanks with a welded fitting and are approximately 3/4 inch in diameter. This makes for easy replacement if damaged. The airline for the engine throttle control on the Rolair is held on with a hose clamp. The airline for our package is held on with a compression fitting that is easily sourced from any industrial supply store, Lowe's or Home Depot. This fitting, if broken, Now we'll look at the control block and air manifold of these packages. The Rolair package is hosed together with hose clamps and rubber hose, going from a control manifold block to the regulator, which is bolted to a bar in between the two air tanks. Our package is all piped with stainless steel flexible discharge air lines for your air that you're using, and a push lock air line to control the air to your engine throttle control. We have a heavy duty ½ inch regulator, 2 quick air disconnects, and an easy to view pressure gauge. The Rolair package does not come standard with an air quick disconnect. Our package comes standard with a 2-piece tank and top plate with vibration isolators between the compressor base plate and the tank. The Rolair package is welded straight to the tank with 1 vibration isolator under the foot. The handle to lift the Rolair package is mostly straight up and down on the end of the air tank, while the handle on our package is angled to make for easier lifting, getting the unit in and out of the back of a... Now we'll do the 10-minute run test to check air temperature at the discharge of the pump and the discharge of the tank to the control manifold. We'll do the same 10-minute test on the Rolair package. On the Rolair package, their oil sight glass is plastic, while ours is brass.